I'm going to show you one of my best free diagnostics tools which I use to solve many computer problems. We can use this tool to recover data at many levels and can also use it to remove Windows forgotten passwords, remove viruses, fix booting problems, and many others. This Hirens bootable USB disk is a very powerful and diagnostics tool which every computer user should have. So please kindly follow me to the end if you wish to know how I use it. You will need a USB flash drive of at least 4 GB and an internet connection. Once you have that, then please come to Google and type Hirens boot CD and press enter. From there, you click on the first link, which is Hirens official website. Here, click on download and scroll down until you will find hbcdpe64.iso. Click on it and the download will begin. The file size is about 3 GB, so you have to wait a while. After the download is completed, go to Google again and type Rufus and press enter. Click on the first link, which is the official website of Rufus. Here, scroll down and select Rufus 4.5.exe or the latest version. After download is completed, run the Rufus application and quickly insert your USB flash drive. After that, you see that the USB flash drive has been detected. From there, click select and choose the Hirens boot ISO that you downloaded. After, leave everything the way it is and click start. From there, this warning message of erasing all data on the flash drive will pop up. So please click OK if you have already backed up your data. So now the Hirens bootable USB is successfully created. So now I'll connect it to my laptop and boot it from the USB flash drive. I am using Dell laptop and the boot menu is F12. Yours might be different, so I provided some of the boot menu of the well-known manufacturers. I'll then select the USB flash drive and press enter. So as you can see, the files are loading and this will take some time. Finally, we are on the desktop of Hirens Windows 11 boot CD. Please kindly note this. This section of Hirens Mini Windows 11 operating system can be used to recover your files and do a lot of diagnostics. Let's say if your Windows operating system is corrupted and cannot boot to Windows. By booting the Hirens Mini Windows 11 operating system, you can recover all your files from your internal storage drive. So let me demonstrate that. When I click on this PC from the desktop, you can see all my internal hard drives and SSD are present, just like the normal Windows. So if I double click on my drive C, all my files are present and you can just connect an external drive or USB flash drive and quickly copy them without the normal Windows 10 or 11 booting. Now let's use this tool to remove logon password on Windows 11 or 10. As you can see, I have a logon password on this computer. So how do I remove it? First of all, I'll connect the Hirens bootable USB flash drive and boot to the desktop. From the desktop, I'll double click on Utilities, then go to Security, then Passwords. Here you can choose any, but let's use Windows Login Unlocker, which is very simple to use. So I will double click on it and all the available user accounts will show up. Then I'll click User, which has the forgotten password. Right click on it and click Reset Password. Then OK. Now it says password reset. Again click OK. So now let's restart the computer and see if the password has successfully been removed. Yes, you can see the password is removed. Now let's boot the Hirens again and look at other useful features. We can also use Hirens to recover deleted files from any storage device. So when I click on Utilities, then Hard Disk Tools, then Data Recovery. Here there are many of the data recovery softwares, but I like to use Recover and Laysoft. So I'll try the Laysoft. Here there are 4 methods you can use to recover lost files: the fast scan method, the undeleted method, the unformatted method, and the deep scan method. In case you don't know how you lost your files, then you can use the fast scan method. If you accidentally deleted any files from your drive, then use the undeleted method. But if you accidentally formatted your drive, then use the unformatted method. You can use deep scan when all available methods did not work, or you have lost your partition. This method will search for all available lost partitions on your drive. So here let's try the fast scan. Here you choose the partition you wish to recover the data from and click Start Search. Again, let's try the recover. You click Next, and here I suggest you choose all files. You click Next, and when you are asked where were the files, you choose any of these criteria. Then Next, and Start. From here you have to wait a while to search for your lost files. We can also use this tool to fix Windows booting problems. To use it, click on Windows Recovery and then click Laysoft Windows Recovery. Here you should see your Windows operating system. In my case it's Windows 11 64-bit, and you should be able to see your drive capacity also here. Once you've checked that, you can click OK. From there you see most available Windows problems: boot crash problems, loading crash problems, random crash problems, restore disks, and other repair tools. So here you can see many of the problems and how to fix them. So for an example, if you have a black screen problem with a blinking cursor, to fix this, come to One Click Fix and just click on One Click Fix. And within a short while you see the problem has been resolved. After, click Finish. So you can follow and fix Windows boot problems with this tool. You can also use this tool to remove every virus infection from your computer. So to do that, click on Security, then Antivirus. Then you can choose any of these two antiviruses. Let me choose McAfee for demonstration purposes. From there, a pop-up window will ask for an update, so please kindly update it before using it. After that, click Accept, and you can thoroughly scan your PC. This tool has many diagnosis features, so I'll be making separate videos on how to use some of them to your advantage. So that's all for today. I hope you've got some value from this tutorial. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, have a lovely evening, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.